Hi guys, so what's new in your daily life? Today, I would like to come to you guys with this topic that would be oud perfumes, like perfumes that has oud. And I will show you the ones that I have. I chose like the ones that I know that have oud, and the ones that is written the word oud in the title, So I'm very new to these perfumes, so I'm just discovering myself. Let's see what I got over here. So first perfume that comes into my head is this one, is this perfume. So this one is Opulent Wood. I have never thought, guys, that I will fall into these perfumes that are strong Middle Eastern, but here you are, I did. And actually, I discovered that sometimes it can be nice to smell sharp, because when you say the word sharp, it's very often means that it's powerful and long lasting, and which makes things so interesting. So anyway, lattafa, Opulent Wood. This is basically not a loved perfume by so many, I noticed. Opulent Wood, but the one that is loved by many is the white version of this one, and this one they say doesn't last as long and it's not super nice and so on, but actually I would like to tell you that so excuse me, that I do see some beauty in this perfume if you actually have a closer look to it. If you actually spray two sprays and think about it, long enough, you might discover that there is beauty in this particular oud perfume. And basically what I would like to tell you as well is that you will not like it at the beginning, but there is something nice at the dry down. And there was one person that said that the stronger the oud, the better, because it's more powerful. And it might be right, the saying, actually. So there is the sharp opening, actually. And once it kind of dies down, it becomes a bit nicer, but that's not a safe blind buy. If you like oud perfumes and you are confident in it, go with this one just to see what it's like. Okay, so this is oud perfume number 1. And let's take another perfume right now. So we had this Oud Mood. So what about this one? This one is so much likable. The name of this perfume, it's Amir Al Oud, guys. And this one, it's supposed to be dupe for By the Fireplace. And this one is really, really liked by so many. And this type of oud perfume is so gentle, so caramelly, so smooth, that it becomes very, very likable between so many people, guys. And like this type of smoky vibe that excuse me, that there is, it's really, really nice, guys. I would like to tell you that I would recommend you guys to get this perfume because this perfume, it's very, very suitable for autumn, and there is nothing much that you wouldn't like about this perfume. It's a very gentle, there is oud, I'm not sure, but the name, it says oud, it's a very gentle type of oud. And right now, let's go to another. This one, guys, is Midnight Oud. I still haven't discovered this perfume that much. The only time when I kind of thought about it and I was thinking about it, and I think that the only time when I kind of had some appreciation for this perfume is when I was cooking, when I put a lot of spices in my food, and then I discovered that something came out slightly better. It kind of as if almost this perfume inspired me to cook, to put more spices, because there are so many spices in this perfume, like cumarin, those type of yellow spices, that it encouraged me actually to cook better, So this one might be very suitable to use in the kitchen, whenever you are ready to cook. So you're supposed to spray this perfume, and maybe you will cook better, guys. But I'm just joking. Actually, this perfume, it's possible to like, but you need to really give a good thought about it, and really, maybe some people say in the cooler weather it might be nicer, and maybe to layer with something else, stuff like that. This one is not a safe blind buy. It's a dupe for Amouage Interlude. That's all what I know, guys. Really, this perfume would be a journey to discover there, not safe blind buy, guys. Okay, so now we can continue to another perfume, which is very interesting, guys. This perfume is very, very interesting, and this would be Oud Mood by Lattafa. And this perfume is so much talked by so many people, guys. This particular perfume, and just the way it looks and everything. This one would be very interesting perfume to buy, like whoever wants to experience oud for the first time, because it has a quite interesting richness, this perfume, with saffron as well, with the sweetness there, and that oud is there. And if you actually give a little bit of time until it's gonna fade away, you might like the dry down, guys. You know, I got compliments with this perfume. So within this time, you know, like that I was wearing Middle Eastern perfumes, this is the one that got me compliments 2 times. So, you know, it means a lot to me. It means a lot. That means it's possible that people might like this perfume. It's a bit unusual as well, this perfume. It has a little bit of oud, you know, there. So we can continue with this one. And this one would be Velvet Oud. Velvet Oud, the packaging, you know, this type of velvety box. It's very, very nice. And so Velvet Oud, and this perfume definitely has oud in it, and also it has leather. This one is slightly difficult for me as well. It's slightly sharper type of situation going on between leather and oud over there, but not too sharp that woman wouldn't be able to wear it, you know. This one is also requires some good thought, some you know, kind of readiness to wear it. That wouldn't be morning perfume. That's more maybe night perfume, and not too much for the office. But you know, if you are a man, you can actually spray this on a little bit, you know. But that's definitely basically oud perfume, you know. That would be perfume. And then we have, guys, another perfume that I have right here. 1 perfume left, 2 perfume left, and then there is basically 3rd perfume left. We can go through them very, very quick. So this one, I haven't even done any unboxing there, like video or anything, because I found this, I don't feel anything about this perfume at the beginning, and I thought that maybe I got some kind of version that is maybe fake or something like that. But then when I smelled it a little bit more, I start to feel a little bit of that type of little bit of oud, but it was so gentle there that actually I wouldn't purchase this perfume, because this is way too gentle, guys. I could feel only 20% of this perfume. This one is Oud Collection Dirham. I already have like 3 dirhams perfume, I think. And so this one is another one. This one is my least favorite because it's so gentle, guys, this particular perfume. And then the other perfume that we got is Amir Al Oud VIP version from the Fragrance World. So from the Fragrance World, guys, don't confuse, I will show you what you shouldn't confuse. Don't confuse this one with this one, because they are not the same. They are from different companies and they are completely different, guys. Some people say that this one smells like sugar food, you know, but I actually never smelled that one, and I kind of little bit doubt. I don't know, guys. I just simply don't know. This one was difficult for me to wear. Not as safe, guys. There is some beauty there, because it's like for me, it's like a mixture of chocolate and coffee. Reminds me a little bit of Cacharel there, one of those, either, what's that, either Ane or whichever. There is some kind of this type of prominent note that is not that easy to like, you know, but there is some beauty in it, you know. This one, Mysterious Perfume, you know, not a safe blind buy, guys. And then we can continue with this beautiful, guys, 24 Oud, you know, hours by Ardal Zafran. This one is a beautiful perfume, guys. It says oud, you know, but I'm not sure if there is oud actually, but it says oud, so there might be oud in it. I haven't even looked at it, but this one can be very likable, guys. This one kind of caused a lot of kind of question. People are very curious about this perfume. It's very nice, guys. I would recommend you to get it, because it's so cheap, guys. You don't have to be afraid of this perfume. It's totally different, guys. Let's say they are not the same, you know, they are not the same, guys. It's totally different, completely different, very different. There is nothing, you know, they are not, this 24 Oud hours, completely different from anyone else, you know, anything else. So for that reason, you shouldn't be afraid, because actually it has this type of floral freshness, and is dupe for Tom Ford Orchid, you know, but maybe watered down version, you know. But anyway, so that would be my oud perfumes. My favorite would be let me tell you what would be my favorite. So this one would be my favorite, and then this one would be my favorite. You know, Amir Al Oud is one of my favorite. And then what else we got right there? This one, probably this one. We can try this one as well. So these three would be my favorite, guys, from this type of beautiful collection of oud perfumes. Do you guys like these oud perfumes? What's your opinion on them? Have you ever been afraid to buy them, or have you ever had courage to buy them? Would you wear oud perfumes in the normal daily life, like let's say if you go to office or anything? What do you think about oud perfumes? Or are you that person that says like no to oud perfumes, you know, never? Let me know, guys, and I will come back to you very, very soon, and bye bye.